This is the GTS3 smartwatch. It's hardened to 5 ATM waterproof. You can swim with this one. You got all kind of controls here. An onboard flashlight, your overall brightness control, which has a really large range to it. You've got Do Not Disturb, NFC for trading cards, and of course your overall system settings, display and vibration, phone calls, and audio Bluetooth for streaming music from your phone to the watch. A bunch of other stuff too. When you swipe this way, you get all of your different apps, the activities for step count, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, stress. You got music player, relaxation, which is really improved in the way they're presenting that one. A game you can play, calculators built in this one, ladies cycle tracking is in here as well. When you swipe to this direction, you get your activity step count for the day broken down by the hour, and you've also got last night's sleep time with a complete chart associated with it, and information on your sleep time throughout the day. You've got your heart rate here, and your continuous heart rate is listed. Blood pressure with your last 7 readings, blood oxygen, and it uses a red diode for the blood oxygen readings in this one. You've got weather in your area, or whatever area you put, Fahrenheit, centigrade, with a forecast. The overall stress broken down by the hour, so you can monitor how well you're doing and what zones you're in. You can even set up a remote shutter for your phone if you want to. Lots of dial faces to choose from, animated ones, and you can even download some like this one directly from the app. It's got the company name right on the buckle. It's a really well-designed watch, hardened, like I say, military grade. You've got a very interesting integrated band with it as well. It is the GTS 3. Check it out.